Hello students. Today in this video I'm going to talk about pronouns. This presentation deals with definition of pronoun and types of pronouns. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun. For example, Raima is a singer. She lives in Siliguri. Here, in place of noun Raima, she is placed, so she is a pronoun. Types of pronoun. Now, first talk about personal pronouns. What are personal pronouns? Personal pronouns are pronouns that function as the subject or object in a sentence. Personal pronouns are of two types, subjective personal pronoun and objective personal pronoun. For example, see here, he is a professor. He is the subject. He is subject as well as the pronoun. So, he is subjective personal pronoun. See the second example. She gave him a ball. Here she is subject and she is subjective personal pronoun, whereas him is the object in the sentence and him is also a pronoun. So him will be objective personal pronoun. Next is possessive pronouns. What are possessive pronouns? Possessive pronouns refer to possession. For example, this bag is hers. Here hers is possessive pronoun. But this bag is her bag. Here her is not a pronoun because here her is just describing the bag. So here her will be possessive adjective as it qualifies a noun, that is bag. Let's talk about demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns identify nouns in a sentence. Please pay attention in the word identify. For example, that is a mango grove. Here that identifies the noun mango grove. So here that is a pronoun. But if the same word that, if it describes a noun, then it will not be a pronoun. Then it will be an adjective. See the example here. This mango grove is beautiful. Here this describes the noun mango grove. So in the second sentence this is an adjective, whereas in the first sentence this is a pronoun. Interrogative pronoun. Whom, whose, who, which, and what are the words that are used for asking questions. These are interrogative pronouns. For example, who is he? Here who is an interrogative pronoun. Now let's talk about relative pronouns. Relative pronouns are words that are used to add information about a noun already mentioned in the sentence. Relative pronouns are that, whom, who, which, whose. For example, the book which I want is this. Here, which is saying about the book which is already mentioned in the sentence. So, which is a relative pronoun. Now, let's talk about reflexive and emphatic pronoun. Reflexive pronouns are used to refer back to the subject of the sentence. For example, Bikash hurt himself. Here himself says about the subject Bikash, and that's why it's a pronoun. And what type of pronoun it? It's reflexive because it reflects the subject. Words that are used for the sake of emphasis are called emphatic pronoun. Emphasis means to giving extra force or pressure. See, for example, he himself distributed the medicines. Here we can easily say he distributed the medicines, but instead of saying like that, we are saying he himself distributed the medicines. So this himself word gives emphasis, or its function is to give emphasis in the sentence. So himself is a emphatic pronoun. Indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns refer to persons or things in general rather than to anything specific. For example, anybody can do it. Somebody will come. So this anybody, somebody, these are indefinite pronouns. Distributive pronouns. Words such as each, either, neither, which are used to refer to persons or things once at a time are called distributive pronouns. Let's learn from the example. Each student must attend live class. So here each is distributive pronoun. Let's talk about the last one, that is reciprocal pronouns. Reciprocal pronouns are words such as each other, one another. And these type of words are called reciprocal pronouns. Let's learn from the example. They helped each other. Here helped each here each other. Here is reciprocal pronoun. Here is a pronoun chart for you all. Just go through it. See, first person, subject pronoun, object pronoun, possessive adjectives, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronouns. First person, I, me, my, mine, myself. I hope this chart will help you a lot. Thank you, students.